Hello everyone, welcome to my first video about the PTT4U system, which is basically a professional radio service that works on top of the cellular network of the regular GSM and 3G and 4G cell phone operators. And I'm gonna show you how this works. I have a couple of different radios here. They are all running the PTT4U app that you can get from ptt4u.com, and I have it installed here in the Enrico TM7. This is the TalkPod N55, and this is not an Android device, this one here, so you don't have to install any software. It works with the PTT4U service right off the box. You just have to program the username and the password for this device, and you have to do it for each device you're going to use. Here is the TalkPod N58, which is an Android based device, and this one already has the PTT4U software. The PTT4U is running using the real PTT service. Okay, and I also have here another radio, and this is the Radiotone RT4, which is also an Android device. All these radios, except the N50, so this TalkPod N58, the RT4 and the Enrico, are mobile phones. So you can use the PTT service, but still make phone calls, send SMS, and because this is an Android-based device, all these are Android-based devices, you can also use apps like WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever you want. This is an Android, so you can make phone calls and use all the Android apps you want. So, but today I'm here to show how this PTT4U system actually works. So let's make some tests here. I'm gonna, just to avoid some confusion, let's see. I'm gonna use the TalkPod N50 and try to make a call. You're gonna get lots of echo because I'm having all these devices connected in the same group channel. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So everybody's listening to this. And now with the Enrico TM7 here also. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the display of the station that is making the call. So if I'm using the Enrico here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go. This unit here is using a SIM card. Actually, I'm gonna show you. I will just power it down, remove the battery off, and here you see you have a 4G SIM card. Although this is not a 4G device, this one is 3G only, but it's more than enough to run the PTT4U service, as you can imagine. So let's switch it on now. So basically, these devices here, at this moment, the Android ones are all connected using the Wi-Fi because I don't have SIM cards for all of them, but all, including the mobile TM7, can have a SIM card, and this means that you can install any SIM card you like from any operator, and you are able to connect to the PTT4U service. You can do pretty much everything you would expect on a system like this. You can go to the map, for example, and you can check where all the users are at any given point. Okay, so you see the N58 is there. And it basically gives you the location of every user, because these units, they all have a GPS. Obviously, you can also have one-to-one calls. First, I want to show you that if I'm going to transmit something here, let's see, with the N55. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All the other devices are listening to me right now. But now, and for example, if I use the RT4, I have the external, this microphone for the RT4. oh, I need an extra pair of hands here, but I'm going to transmit with RT4, so I want you to see the display of the N55 showing RT4. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You see? But now, from the RT4, this one here, I want to call Enrico TM7, the mobile. I want to make a private call for the TM7. So I just come here and I say, okay, the TM7 here, and I want a private call. Now if I press the PTT button, now if I press the PTT button, I should not get any information, or I should not see the RT4 transmitting here in the N55. I should only see it on the on the TM7. So let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. So this is completely muted. You cannot listen to the talk pod at this moment, the N55, but you can see the TM7 is working. And I can reply back. Hello, 1, 2, 3. And I can see here on the TM7, on the RT4, the TM7 is speaking. Okay. There's another thing, and this can be useful sometimes. All these radios have the SOS button. Okay, of course, in these devices here, in the RT4, for example, you can hard code, or you can program which hard button is going to be the SOS button, or you can also use the SOS button here on the screen. In the Enrico, it's clearly stated in here. You see the SOS button, and everyone is going to receive a call, a general call with the alert. So you can let's see what happens here. Okay, so I get SOS but information on all devices. You see here. I can even check who is doing the SOS button, and I can reply back and see and to try to understand what is wrong with the station. So as you see, this is a very simple concept, although it's a completely new game changer in the radio two-way communication industry, because now you don't have any range restriction. I mean, you can be in different countries using the service, and you're not going to pay more for that. This system is based on subscription. You pay a little annual fee for each device you want, but you can have up to thousands and thousands of devices, and no matter where you are connected, and you can talk to every device. Okay, so this is very exciting, and I'm sure we'll be experiencing every day more and see all the government agencies, taxi companies, delivery companies, everyone can use it, because thank God there's a huge cellular network coverage all around the world. And as far as is 3G or 4G or even 2.5G compatible, there will always be devices around that will be where you will be able to use the service. So this is my first video on the PTT4U service. I just wanted to show you how this works. In the future, I'm planning to add more videos, because there is also you also have a dispatch software system that works on Windows, and it's just like a radio station, but everything runs from the computer. So it even uses the audio the audio card of your computer, the sound card, and you can talk to the radios. You can check location of the users, make one-to-one calls, and all that. So basically you are pretty much covered in what you would be doing before with the legacy system. The big advantage of the PTT4U is that you no longer need to have a huge expense in renting sites, having antennas, having repeaters to make a coverage. This is not subject to interference. Everything is very high quality, and as far as you have a good network coverage, and then you're pretty much safe. Okay, so just take a look into the ptt4u.com website. There's lots of information there, and check later to see new products coming in and new ideas, new concepts. And I hope you join us very soon with your fleet of network radios. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.